G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Mum, Steve and I are here at Mornington Beach. Okay, we're just heading down towards the pier. I think it's called Schnapper Head down the end here. Beautiful day, it's supposed to reach about 29 or 30 in Melbourne. I'm not sure the temperature here. It's quite warm, not very windy. Perfect day to bring the drones, but didn't actually think about it. There's the rocks there. I think that's a restaurant down there, the Rocks. Mornington Beach. And we're heading down to Mornington Pier if Steve decides to come along. There you go, that's the little rock formation here. Pretty sure it's called Schnapper Point here at Mornington. Okay, Steve is just going 100 miles an hour. All the yachts down there, you can see that. Okay, now we're walking up this ramp. Goes up to the top, get a nice little view from the top. There's the Rocks restaurant. Let's go. Steve's, although he's small, he sort of yanks pretty hard for a little 7-kilogram dog. And then when we head home, he sits and sleeps in the car because he's worn himself out. Beautiful view here. There's behind the marina there, we've got the Mornington Beach. Boat sheds behind that, you probably can't see them. Come on Steve, let's go. Okay, this is a big monument. It's been here for years in memory of Matthew Flinders. There's a big sign. Come on Steve, come on this side. Come on this side, people want to see the sign. Come on. There you go, Matthew Flinders, navigator, 1774 to 1814. Okay, I won't read the whole thing. You can pause it and read it yourself. Just come up here for the view. I'll get Mum to hold Steve. Can you hold Steve, Mum? Just so I can... Okay, that's the road we came up from. There's the Mornington Marina, the Rocks restaurant, little pier there. Mornington Beach is around the back. And there's, I'm not sure if you can see it, but around there there's all little boat sheds, chain sheds, I'm not sure, beach sheds, I'm not sure what you call them here in Australia, but there's heaps of them. And over here is Mornington Pier, and there's Mum with Steve just there under the monument sitting in the shade. There you go, that's Mornington Pier. Okay, good view from up here. We're not too high, probably about 30 metres high. That's Mornington Pier there. Obviously you don't want to go down there, go in the water. And I don't know if you can see it in the distance, right about there is Melbourne. We're probably about, I don't know, 50 kilometres from Melbourne. You can hear one of the boats, the fishing boats there starting up. Just check the other side. We haven't been here for between 6 and 12 months. It's been a while since we've been here. I think I flew my drone here last time. That's probably a reason why I didn't want to bring it. I've flown the drone here before many times. And this is the other side. And obviously you can see the land across the distance there. Around there is the Mornington Peninsula, all the way down to about there I think is Sorrento, Portsea, Point Nepean, and on the other side of the bay is the Queen's Cliff, Point Lonsdale. So this is, oh, excuse me, the flies, Port Phillip Bay that we're looking at. And it's a pretty cool monument. Looks like a tail of an aeroplane. There's Steve. Come and say hello, Steve. Come and say hello, Steve. Do you want to go to walk down to the pier? Okay, we'll walk down to the pier.
I am